On the latest episode of Mnakwethu Happily Ever After, viewers were shocked that Samantha confessed to Mnakwethu that she slept with someone else and did not know who the father of her unborn baby was. Kondonisa said, "I became aware of her pregnancy when we were shooting the latest season. I suspected she was cheating on me and I asked her for a DNA test, but she refused. For me, that is proof enough. We had just started shooting this season when I found out. At the time, she was already avoiding me. I was hurt, but I didn't want to ruin the show, so I pretended to be fine. I have since dumped her. I deleted all her photos from my social media pages and my phone. I want nothing to do with her." Kondonisa said his ancestors would never accept their unborn child, and neither would he. I'm now expecting her family to meet with mine so that they can start the process of cleansing. After that, she must go, said Kondonisa. However, Samantha said that she wasn't going anywhere. I did it to spite Kondonisa. I'm not even sorry because he has also wronged me. He is also cheating with different women and I want to show him I can do better. The unborn child is not his, but he must accept it as his own, said Samantha.